How to lose weight is such a term which becomes very difficult for us to Google. Are you also tired of diets and workouts, but still your weight is not reducing? I am sure that many times you too must have felt that nothing is working on you, and in such a situation, you ultimately give up the hope of losing weight. If something like this is happening with you too, friends, or if you are serious about reducing your weight, then today I will tell you 5 tips which are not only simple but also science-backed, and it is very easy to add them in your routine. These tips are very basic but their impact is very big, and the interesting thing is that no one generally talks about them. So if you also genuinely want to reduce your weight without any crazy diet and extreme workout, then this video is for you only. So the first and the most effective hack is to take 2 meals about 30 minutes, i.e. half an hour before eating. Drinking a glass of water. You might have heard somewhere that if you drink water before eating food, it reduces weight, but today we will know in a scientific way and try to understand whether doing this can really lead to weight loss. Actually, when we drink 2 glasses of water before eating food, your stomach is already filled a little bit. What happens due to this is that your appetite is reduced and you naturally eat less, and in this way your calorie intake also reduces naturally, which helps you in weight loss. Research also says that by drinking water before eating food, you consume up to 22% less calories, and this means that if you eat food 3 times a day and drink water before eating every time, then your overall calorie intake can be reduced significantly in the long term. There is a very simple funda of weight loss, friends. You have to burn more calories than the calories you consume, and this trick of drinking water helps this process in a natural way. Plus, by drinking water, you also remain hydrated, which is essential for metabolism, i.e. it boosts your metabolism and the body naturally burns more calories. So the next time you sit down to eat, drink 2 glasses of water before eating. The second tip is to avoid sweet things in breakfast and eat whole grains and protein-rich meals. This means that by changing your breakfast menu from sugar or carb-heavy options, choose a breakfast which is savory, i.e. salty and protein-rich. Most of the friends, we eat sugary carbohydrates in breakfast such as sweet tea, biscuits, cereals, rusks, sweet porridge, sweet oats, toast or parathas, etc. But these things increase your blood sugar rapidly, which can lead to cravings and overeating throughout the day. Instead, try a savory and protein-rich breakfast in which you can try eggs, curd, cheese, porridge, khichdi, poha, sprouts or gram flour, chila, etc. These options will keep your blood sugar stable and will make you feel full for a longer time. By the way, some people might be saying that 2 proteins are enough. How can it reduce weight when many people take protein supplements to increase their weight and build their body? So, friends, protein is a little slow to digest compared to other nutrients. Our body has to burn more calories to digest it. For example, if you consume 100 calories of protein, then 30 calories out of it are spent in digesting this protein and your body gains only 70 calories. That means a protein-rich breakfast not only gives a better start to your day, but also keeps you satisfied for a longer time and avoids unhealthy snacking. At the same time, protein also reduces sugar cravings, suppresses your desire to eat sweets, and also plays an important role in muscle building, which speeds up your body's metabolism and helps you in fat loss. A study also says that hunger is reduced by a protein-packed breakfast. Hormones decrease due to which you eat less food in lunch and dinner too, so eating protein-rich food and salty things instead of sweet things and carbohydrate-rich foods in these short breakfasts is a habit that will help you a lot in weight loss.